Okay, so today we have a package. This package was released a long time ago, but I found it at a really low price for $18.74. That was about 2 months ago. Now we have Percy with the mail car, James and its tender. Rebecca is the main character I want to paint, and we have the Thomas in rainbow something. So anyways, let's open it up. So if you know, once you remove the package, they no longer look nice. But anyways, the blister pack makes it stand. Okay, let's see. Now, we all know James. But anyways, I gotta test, make sure these things work. So as everybody knows, these engines take 2 AAA batteries. And I gotta make sure they work. Now, the reason I bought this set is for Rebecca, because I want to paint that Rebecca in green. Now, I think when they release some packages, they just do it for one item, like Thomas. Anyways, so we can either paint or vinyl wrapping these models, like a chrome, I think. Look at the eyes they have. I haven't noticed because I do not buy a lot of these Trackmasters. But anyways, since everybody have only Trackmasters too, so I'm gonna begin to paint, repaint, or customize these models. Woohoo! Okay, kind of fast engine. That's good. Now let's continue with Percy. Looking good. Percy always with his mail car. They made these too small, not like the Trackmaster ones, but anyways. So we can modify these engines. I hope I can find a little bit of free time to make this. I'm trying to make one video a day, but we'll see what happens, since I still have a lot of fix and repair from subscribers, and it's taking time. What did I do? I think I put it in the wrong direction or something. See what happens? Is it the battery? No, these are new batteries. Anyways, so we can repaint, customize one of these engines. They don't even paint the buffers, but this is easy. You guys can just grab your oil-based marker and paint these buffers. Yeah, so the reason I bought this set, it's for Rebecca, because of Rebecca. Now, I get this set for $18.74, while most of you bought it for $30. I always like to wait. So now we have this for $18, $19. Let's say $19. That's like $5 a piece. And that's a good deal. Now, Rebecca, the reason I bought Rebecca is because I read some comments that it would be a good idea to paint Rebecca in green colors. So that's the reason I bought Rebecca. And even I see this kind of housing for the lights. We can drill a hole here and put the lights in. It will be nice. So we can paint Rebecca in green color, dark green color. Give me the ideas, guys, because I do not watch YouTube. When I have some ideas that subscribers give me, I do some research and I see pictures and maybe some videos. But other than that, that's what I pretty much do. I do not watch YouTube, you know, remember, even if I post videos on YouTube, I do not watch a lot. So here is Rebecca. This is the main reason I bought the set. That's nice. Now, what I like about this is the bright colors, the yellow or very, very bright red color. Makes the yellow colors make it brighter, make it look brighter. And the undercarriage, the chassis and the wheels on the engine, that's what I like. The footplate or platform, whatever you want to call it, makes a good contrast and makes a vibrant color, really enhanced color. And I like the blue, not about these stripes here, the rainbow stripes, I think. I don't like that, but it's different. That's a good thing. And I don't know if this model is only found on this package. Let me know in the comments, because I have no idea if they release it on a different set or single units or as a single units. I know Rebecca was released, I think, as it is. And I think another card, scrap card. I think I'm not fan of this. So the reason is, if I do not make any profit, I don't buy it. But anyways, and I think Rebecca has some shovel or something here, tool or whatever. But anyways, here is Thomas. I like that. I think, in my opinion, if they painted dark blue, if they made it dark blue without the rainbow stripes, it will look really nice and great. I think really great. That will be a good idea, instead of this kind of, I don't see the rainbow colors here. I don't see the purple or orange. I don't know how they tried. Remember, I don't watch YouTube, or neither I don't watch the chapters of Thomas or whatever they call it. But it's nice. So remember, we are going to paint these. I hope we can find the time. We're going to try to put a light here, maybe. And everything here, I see it's kind of printed. Yes, I see the stripes going this way. I think the printer goes like that. Or was it pad printing? You know, pad printing is like a padding thing, like they push like that in, stick it in there. But I see kind of they printed in the model. Now the main characters I want to customize are these. We can put even silver for this engine and green livery. Please let me know, give me ideas, because remember, I don't watch YouTube or Thomas things, you know.